In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Twitch app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you're facing this issue, then the first thing you need to do is to go back to your phone and open Google Play Store. Here, you want to ensure that you are logged in with your Gmail account before you try to download and install this Twitch app. However, if you're already logged in but unable, then tap on your profile icon and go down to settings. From settings, look for network preferences option, this option, and under it go to app download preference. Choose the first option over any network. If it was set to over Wi-Fi only, change this to over any network and then okay. This will ensure you can download the app via the current network you are connected to. Then try to install your app. However, if you are still unable, then most likely the problem is with Google Play Store app itself. For that, we need to troubleshoot Play Store by going to settings, and from settings scroll down to apps. Under apps, look for this option called manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Play Store, and if you tap on it, now go to force stop and okay, and clear data, and finally clear cache. Once you are done, start your smartphone, and now if you go to Play Store, tap on search, and now activate search and search for Twitch like that. And if I run search, now we have our app here. Let's try and install it. I'll tap on install, and now as you can see, we are now able to download and install Twitch app. However, at this point, if you're still unable, then check if you are using any VPN app and install it from your phone. And also, if you have no space, then free up space on your phone by deleting unused apps as well as files from your phone. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.